So let's look at the rate of chemical reactions and a thing called collision theory. The rate of a chemical reaction is how fast a reaction occurs, and it's governed by collision theory. Collision theory states that for a reaction to happen, molecules must collide, and they must collide with enough energy to allow that reaction to happen. So if you take this example above me, you should see the fact that if a reaction has to happen, this red dot must collide with one of these blue dots. The faster these collisions happen, the faster our rate of reaction, and in general, the more fun a reaction is. We're going to look at 4 different ways of making these collisions happen faster, and the first one is to do a surface area. Only the molecules at the surface of a particle will be able to collide and react. So therefore, if I take my example here, it's only this row around the outside which will ever have the chance of reacting with my red dots over here. However, if I start to cut this molecule up and it starts looking more like this, you'll see that I've now exposed the inside particles to the red dots. Thus, we have more frequent collisions because there are more particles exposed to collide. So by exposing more particles to collisions, we're allowing more collisions to take place. What this does is it leads to an increase in the frequency of successful collisions. Hence, our rate of reaction has increased. This idea of increasing a rate of reaction due to particle size and surface area is really commonplace in everyday life. Most commonly, when you're trying to dissolve something, perhaps when you're putting sugar in your coffee or in your tea, or you're cooking something and you want to put some stock into it. What are you going to do? You're going to crush that sugar cube up, or you're going to crush down that stock cube, and then you will know that it will dissolve a lot faster than just one hunk of sugar. That's pretty straightforward, and now you know the basic science of it and how to explain it in a chemistry way.